Oh wow.
We're at Nederburg for Nederburg. It is where Michelle stays. I don't know where we're supposed to go, but we are here at Nederburg for the wine tasting. Nederburg. Babe, I don't know where the entrance, where the... This is like, just go stand there and see if this is automatic. Stand there. Okay. So we're gonna do the wine tasting here. Looks very nice. Very beautiful.
Yeah, possibly at a tour and tasting.
The tour will be at...
I thought something was just shooting out. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So this is the Nederburg Brut. It's a nice dry sparkling wine. So it's not a champagne, it's a carbonated sparkling
Wine, right.
Just enjoy it.
So we're taking a tour around the museum. No, around the yard, because we're trying to find the museum. And the lady was kind enough to give us sparkling wine. So we get to walk around with our glasses. Where the museum, I think, starts, because she said we must look for Old Cellar, and this is what it is. So maybe we need to go like down there. It's probably where the entrance is. Look, guys, it's all the... I think this is the entrance. This is it. Shows you how it started. So this is the plan, I think, of the house. Ah, this is probably the owner. Yep. He died in 1959. Wow. And these are the prices they received. So this is probably the first bottles of the wine. More bottles. Diploma. I don't know of what, for what. Oh, these are probably still prices. The new one, this one. Oh, are you telling me it's been around for long? This bottle, yeah, because this bottle is still the one that's still used. 1981 Superior. 1980, 85, 87, 88, 1991. Ooh, the year I was born. 1992 vintage. The view is insane. Insane, insane, insane. It's actually beautiful. Like, really, really beautiful. I think this is the best wine farm I've seen out of all the ones I've been to.
Look, these trees are actually cork trees.
Oh.
And they planted them in 1920 because they were hoping to make the corks for the wine bottles,
Yeah.
which didn't work out. Look, normally when one takes the bark off, the tree reproduces. What happens basically, we get, of course, in the harvest time, all the trucks with the grapes. I have to take my hat off because when we, for example, get a Shiraz, the Shiraz grapes from Franschhoek, we never ever mix grapes here. Everything gets separately vinified, oaked, and at the end we might blend the wine. The steel tanks are very practical because they are hygienic. Yeah. And everything comes together. The pips, the skin, the fruit and the juice.
If they said that.
Then I would probably say that. And I'd go, fucking hell.
It smells like red wine.
Boy who died in the plane crash.
Yeah.
This is a wooded Sauvignon Blanc, so you just can see a little bit the difference.
Okay. Right is unwooded.
Yeah, left. And then smell better. Yeah. Smell at both of them and see and smell the difference. Du trinkst nicht? Bring den Saft. And then taste it. You taste it different?
I think I like this one.
Which one do you like?
This one, I don't know which one it is.
Is it the wooded or the unwooded?
Babe, which one will this one? This one.
It's the unwooded, yeah.
Don't go chasing waterfalls, no.